What's up everyone, it's Tess over at Bud's RV World. Today's video I'm going to be showing off a 2024 Coachmen Clipper 12.0 Pro. One of my favorite features that is on this camper is actually the pull-out kitchen. Do not mind me here, I am struggling as I am using one hand to latch the door. The pull-out kitchen does come with a griddle. As you can see, this one does not have it at the moment. It does have it, I promise. And it does come with a bowl/sink and a cooler refrigerator. Right next to the outside kitchen, you do have an outside shower. In the rear compartment, once you open it, you will see that there is the shower and the cartridge. I'm just going to say a composite toilet. This is a pop-up. As you can see, it has hydraulic arms, automatic hydraulic arms. This is quite literally the easiest pop-up that I have ever done. The switch reminds me much like a slide-out switch. In the past, people would struggle to get the pop-up lifted up and actually set up properly. Well, on this one, just with a press of a button, it will go up in about a minute time. I'm going to speed this up just so the video is not too long. But it's super easy, super simple, and does not take very long at all. We do have another door for use. This is just a travel door. This model does come with an awning that you're able to slide into the rail up there. Stepping inside, you can see that there's actually a decent amount of space in this little guy. In the back corner, we have our wet bath. You've got your toilet, your shower, and a shower curtain that is conveniently on a track for you. And your shower head will go up on this little bracket. Right in front, we have the kitchenette. This kitchenette comes with a sink, a microwave, and a Everchill mini fridge. One thing Coachmen does not like on is the amount of cabinets that are in this little tiny space. The in-use door, as I like to call it, is currently strapped to the bed for safety purposes while traveling. Once you actually want to camp, you can simply just swap out these doors for one another. The bed is a queen-size bed and is really comfy. And we have a rooftop AC that is manual. The BTUs on that thing is also a 13.5. Even comes with a TV bracket, so you can have a TV up in there. If you have a guest, then you can also have them sleep on the sofa that is also a little bed. It easily folds out into a twin-size bed. The sofa is also really easy to fold down into the bed. This model does have a suburban furnace in it. There is the controller, and it is located underneath the sofa. Also under the sofa is the solar controller and the CO2 detector, as well as your breaker box. The current price is $15,899, which is 44% off MSRP. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this unit, and we'll see you next time.